Right, so we've got some doors here that still need to go in, and we have been putting in the doors into the bathrooms. These frames have been put in place now by our carpenters in the church. As you can see here behind me, all those beautiful frames have been setting. Then we're going to put in the doors. I think we need 1 or 2 more doors. This door has already been hung here, so we can close this one. I think we just need to put in a WC type of handle, and same applies to the other side of the bathrooms. The frames are now setting, so you can see there we're just setting them into place. One more door that's needed for the kitchen will help us to prepare for the electrical phase, and then we'll be able to see there's all our sound panels that we're going to have to cover again with different material. One more door is needed for the kitchen area, where we can actually go and put in the electrical box. I'm just going to show you there quickly. And the 2 doors in the kitchen are already here behind me. That one's there, and in the kitchen there's the stoop, and this door is fine. Now we need to close this area, and we need a countertop and a door so that this area can be secure, so that the electric box can go in behind me over there. I feel like a weatherman. Occupy and conquer, everybody. Let's do this. God bless you. Thank you for your donations. Thank you for asking 10 friends. Let's keep doing that, because that helps a lot for the little bits and pieces moving forward, and then for the big amount for the electrical phase. God bless you.